Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is a quick video. You can tell by the length of this video, it's going to be very quick, on how I remove sculptured press on nails. Quick and easy, no pain. If you want pain, you can get pain. So if you're new to over here, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, where I take my hands and make fashion or create fashion. So this is a no judgment zone. If you don't have it, you just don't have it, period. Okay, so if you like DIYs or you like hacks, ideas for nails, this is a channel for you. Click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you won't miss an upload from moi. Before we get more into the video, please note not to flood the cuticle area because removal process is going to be very painful. So there should be an access point around the cuticle area to lift the nail. So do not flood your cuticles. I can't exaggerate anymore because it's going to be very painful. Excessive amount of sealing of the press-on nails is unnecessary. That is going to cause difficulty removing because once you seal the nail, it's a natural blend of the tip itself and your natural nail. So please don't seal excessively. So in order to remove the nails with ease, you yourself can DIY this or you can purchase it off Amazon. I will leave the link down below. I will also insert an image of what it should look like or what it looks like. It's not necessarily for the nail plate, but it can be used. To remove the nails, we need to find the access points around the cuticle area. So when you have located those areas, you're going to gently press on the area, push and slide, and you do this at each access point. So you're going to press, push and slide. Remember to be gentle and careful. If you're not careful or gentle, it's going to be very painful. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. One or two movements may get the nail off. Remember to be gentle and be careful. So before this whole process, before we popping off these nails, I need to prep my nails for this process. So I will protect my natural nail using based on top coat gels, and then I'll add the DIY products to the nails. So remember, gently press, push and slide to lift the nails. You have to be very careful because it can become very painful. And like what I post and you think it's very informative, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss an upload from more, because I'll try to be uploading every day this week. If you guys aren't aware, I'm doing nailmas. I started this whole shebang last year. It didn't work out, so I'm trying it again this year. Hopefully it becomes a thing. Yeah, so nailmas is essentially like vlogmas. Only difference is that we're doing things related to nails. So guys, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something from this video, and have an awesome day. Peace. I'm out.